The objective of the experiment is first to discover the appearance of the cast iron microstructure under optical microscope. Second, to identify the types of cast iron depending on the characteristic of a microstructure obtained. First, steel. The carbon percentage is made steel contain 0.15 to 0.30% carbon. Medium carbon steel contain 0.30 to 0.80 carbon. High carbon steel contain 0.80 to 1.50 carbon. The hardness. Steel can be tempered and hardened. Hard but not hard as cast iron. Second, cast iron. The carbon percentage is contain more carbon percentage than steel. Contain more than 2%. The hardness hard First, hard by increased carbon content produce increase in hardness. Second, high hardness. And third, harder than steel. First, there is graphitic microstructure in grey cast iron, which the matrix contains graphite in the shape of flakes. It makes the areas in the metal weaker. So grey cast iron has low tensile strength. Second, grey iron is brittle and weak in tension because the tips of the graphite flakes act as point of stress concentration, and it makes them brittle in nature. Second, nodular cast iron. The composition: carbon contains 3.0% to 4%, silicon 1.8 to 2.8%, magnesium 0.1 to 1.0%. The microstructure is the carbon is in shape of small sphere, not flakes. Mechanical characteristic is significant increase in material ductility. Tensile strength is greater than grey cast iron. In conclusion, all the objectives were achieved during the experiment. The microstructure can be seen through optical microscope at the end of the experiment. More than that, by seeing the microstructure properly, we can identify the type of cast iron. From the experiment, we have learned how to differentiate the microstructure of the sample. First, white cast iron. The composition: carbon contain 2.5 to 4.0% and silicon less than 1%. The microstructure is like cementite, the region surrounded by pearlite. The mechanical characteristic become malleable when it is annealed, very hard, brittle, and not weldable compared to grey cast iron, not easy to machine.